Hey everybody, welcome to the free video. And as we get into midweek here, the most important chart on the planet continues to be the S&P 500. We've got a huge wedge setting up here on the daily chart of the spiders. Also, of course, that kind of hones down onto the daily chart, and we've got a squeeze setting up here. As we head into the next 30 days or so, about the only guarantee here is that, well, there's no 100% guarantee, but I really don't think we're going to still be in this wedge, and we'll either explode to the upside or crater through to the downside. So I'm really liking some straddles and strangles on the June monthly spider options here. More likely strangles here, and we'll set some of those up in the room. So that's looking pretty nice, and that's one of those you could put on a bigger trade and actually sleep at night because the direction is not so important. And then in terms of the directional stuff, I mean, it can be summed up in 3 words, and that's tech, tech, and tech. And if you're looking at XLK here, super bullish, and just keep in mind this could turn into the mother of all head and shoulders tops, but you've got the right stocks leading in tech. They're not necessarily dragging up everything else. You know, right now the stocks that are doing good are like tech and community banks. And I say community banks because the big banks, you know, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, you know, etc., aren't acting so hot. But, you know, a lot of the community banks that trade on the Russell are doing just fine. So you have a tale of 2 markets here. My favorite trade, well, I'll talk in the premium video about my favorite trades into this week. There's a lot of great pinning type trades setting up, as well as kind of shorter term little pops that we can take advantage of. All right, you guys have a great evening, and we'll see you at the next update.